Hello, I'm Gary Everett, Principal of Martiniere College, Lucknow, and I'm really thankful to the management of Atria University for inviting us here today and experiencing this beautiful college. What I feel that this college is one of its kind that has been providing holistic development to their children, and most important is their approach on how they look at futuristic education for our children and what will be their task and their jobs for the future. I was also very impressed that when we went for the tour of the entire campus, the classrooms were absolutely amazing. The laboratories where the children perform their hands-on experiences were extremely good. I was also very excited to see children who are going out on trips, especially the trip when they went to Coorg and had a hands-on experience on nature and wildlife and the biodiversities in those places. I think that's the true way of learning, and I congratulate the Atria University for giving this opportunity to their children. See, one thing is for certain, that children that are the present day children are the children who we can call them the AI children, and these are the ones who are already been equipped with all the gadgets and the modern equipments that are there available, and we find them that the way and the progress that they are learning and the speed in which things are changing around them changes for certain. But what we see that this is an evolution that's always been taking place from the Stone Age to what we are now at the AI age. The children definitely, when they get an exposure like this, I think a university like this will give them a nice opportunity to learn and help themselves to grow and make them better human beings for the future.